Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is hoffi, which means like. Hoffi, as in, dwi'n hoffi coffee, I like coffee. Hoffi, like.